How's it going, everybody? Thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. Today, I got an amazing product from my friends at the Itehil company. It's the portable, rechargeable RO water filter. Let's check it out. In front of me, besides this coffee cup, is everything that you're going to get in this kit. So, first off, you got a cool bag to put all your accessories in. Second off, fresh water hose. Third off, discharge hose, freshwater inlet hose, a hybrid filter, a reverse osmosis filter, a tool to change those filters, and a power cable so that you can charge up this unit. You can do about 9 gallons of water per charge, do about 1.8 gallons per minute. It will filter any freshwater source. Filter micron count is 0.0005. The unit itself weighs approximately 13 pounds. That's about 5.5 kilograms, maybe a little more. It works off of dual LifePo 4 batteries. It takes 2 to 3 hours to charge it. The RO filter is good for about 600 to 800 cycles. The hybrid filter is good for about 300 to 400. And the battery is good for over 2,000 charge cycles. So now that we know what comes in the package and what it consists of, let's put it together and watch it work. All right, so here, this is how we do it. It's pretty simple. The first thing you do is you open this up. It's marked right here, hybrid and RO. So you take your hybrid filter, you put it in here, push it down, turn it to lock. You don't even need the tool, but they provide a tool in case you need it. Take the RO filter, same thing. Put it in here, push down on it. There we go. Took a little bit, but I got it in there. Got our filters in there. Now we got our water inlet hose. We got to hook that up. And that, my friends, is going to go over here on this side. And it's got threads on it. Thread that right on in there. Hand tight will do. Then we take our 2 hoses, our white hose, which is pretty easy because it's color coded on the back here. And we'll put that right in there, and boom, that's it. You just plug it in there. Blue hose, same thing. Then once you got your white set up, you got your blue. You just take it, plug it in, and that's it. It's in there. Now we are set up to filter water. All right, guys. So here is our pH tester. Let's check what our water looks like. All right, so we got it all set up. I got our drinking water here, and this will be the domestic water for like wash. You know, this will be the garbage, really. So let's fire this thing up and see what happens. I got it hooked up now. I got to apologize. I made a mistake when I charged it last night, and I didn't have the cord evidently plugged in all the way. But now we're running. I hear gurgling. You guys hear that in there? So I think we're going to get water soon. This is definitely going down. So we're putting water in the filter. Oh, and here we go. We're getting some water coming out now. This is the crappy water. This is the drinking water. I really want to thank my friends at Itel for sending me this thing out to try. If you guys are interested in one of these, I'm going to leave you a link in the description so you can hook yourself up with one and purify your own water when you're out in the boonies. Very easy to set up. It runs very quietly. I'm excited about this. Are you guys excited? All right, guys, so it's been about, I don't know, let's just say it was about 10 minutes to do that gallon. Probably a little less. But here is the dispelled water. This would be the domestic water. And this is the drinking water. So everybody, hey, I want to say thank you to my good friend Paul Seidner right here. He was the guy behind the camera for most of this video. And Paul worked so hard today standing out in this hot Arizona sun. And we're going to let Paul taste the water first.
So if I die, you know what happens.
You took the words right out of my mouth. All right, everybody. So here we've got our water. we got our Paul, and we got our glasses. And Paul is going to do the honors, pour us 2 freshly filtered glasses of water from the Itel portable RO water filter. Look at that. A professional pouring person.
I was a bartender sort of for about a year.
I could tell.
I wasn't a very good one though.
Hey, you're doing a heck of a job with that water. All right, now we got our pH tester. We got, here we go. And we are down, let's see. All right, well, there's our pH reading. 0.0 to 0.50 is perfect drinking water. So we are well within the parameters. All right, let's test it out with the old taste buds.
Smells like water.
All right.
Tastes like water.
Yeah?
So yeah, I'd say it's pretty good.
All right. Seeing a second sip, it must
cheers.
be good. All right, and here we go. Wow. That tastes good. Like, that tastes like good, fresh, clean, filtered water. So there you go, guys. Now you know. If you're looking for a way to save yourself when you're out in the middle of nowhere to filter your own water up to 9 gallons on one charge, you want to check out the Itel portable reverse osmosis water filter. We're going to leave you a link in the description so you can get yourself one of these. But thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. That's going to do it for this one. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on vanning.